Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am memory keeping in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. I am using these full boxes from Cute Cut Craft, which is a Canadian online Etsy shop. The boxes that I'm using here, the full boxes, are Winter Wonderland, and they are still available in her shop. It was just $3 for this sheet of full boxes. She also has complete kits available for $12. So what I've done here is I've taken some pictures that highlight some of the memories of the week. It was a particularly snowy week in Thunder Bay, where I live, and I work outside, and it was nice to capture how beautiful my week was working outside with these gorgeous snow, like freshly dusted trees with snow, and it was really mild temperatures because it was snowing more. So that's definitely the highlight of the week. My Monday was a really huge step day, so I actually took a picture of my watch because I'm almost at like 30,000 steps on Monday because I had a really busy work day where I almost got 20,000 steps, and then I went to Zumba that night. I also wanted to highlight the fact that it was my mom's birthday on the 21st. So she had passed away, and every year on her birthday we celebrate by having her favorite chocolate chip oatmeal cookies and tea, which was a tradition she would always have at 8 o'clock every night. She would have cookies and tea. So instead of having birthday cake on her birthday, we make her special recipe for cookies. And actually this year my daughter baked the cookies, so that was really great. She's really into baking right now, and it was fantastic that she was able to make those for us so we could celebrate the day. So I've used the full boxes on the bottom to journal some of the things that we did that week. I try to put some sort of a weekend banner here, but I decided that I liked it better without, and I just end up finding a celebrate sticker to highlight the fact that we were celebrating my mom's birthday that day. And I'm going to leave that last box blank because as I'm filming this, it's still Sunday. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing these once a week videos, subscribe for more. See you again next time.